Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to find out the block contact numbers on your Android. If you have blocked any contact on the WhatsApp, so you can try this easy and simple method. If you want to find out the block number on your phone, so just open the dialer app on your phone like this. In the top right side corner you can get three dots, just tap on it. From here open the settings like this. In the settings here you can get the option blocked number, just tap and open it, and here you can get the list of number which you have blocked. If you want to unblock it, so from here you can easily able to unblock it. So in case I don't have any blocked number, so that's why the list was empty. Okay, so same thing, if you want to find out the block number on WhatsApp, if you have blocked any number on WhatsApp, you can easily able to find out this. So for this guys, open your WhatsApp on your phone, go to three dots. From here open the settings. In the settings go to privacy, and in the privacy guys, scroll down slightly. Here you can get the option block contact. So this same process you can follow on your iPhone WhatsApp as well as. Okay, so and here you can get your block list. As you can see guys, if you want to unblock any contact from here, just select it, and here you can get the option unblock. Okay, if you want to unblock, just tap on it, that's it. Okay, so this is the way to quickly and easily find out the block contacts on your Android and in your WhatsApp app. So that's it today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.